everyone and welcome to the JB Edit and welcome to yet another episode of Makeup by a Novice. So today I have created this very glam look for Eid. So this time Eid is in July and it's very hot. So I have worn this sleeveless blouse with this very lightweight chikankari sari, and I've created this very glittery burgundy sort of smoky eyes, and keeping everything very minimal. I think the eyes stand out, so it's very easy to create, and I have used all very affordable products. All of the products that I have used are under the 300 rupees mark. So if you are interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with an already moisturized face. I'm taking this Insight 3-in-1 primer and applying it on the center of my face and then pushing it nicely till it absorbs into my skin. Then I'm taking this LA Colors Radiant Foundation in the shade Light Tan and dotting it all across my face and my neck. I will blend this foundation with a brush. This is a very nice dewy foundation, and even though the shade is a bit off, it still matches my skin quite well. So I'll blend this nicely until the foundation looks seamless. Next I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio concealer palette and taking the orange corrector and a medium shade from the palette, I'm going to conceal my under eyes. To set the concealer, I am taking the Blue Heaven Flawless Powder and patting it all across my face. For bronzer, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 330 Toffee, and I will bronze the usual places of my face, my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and also apply a light flush over my eyelids for that warmth. For my eyebrows, I am taking this Miss Claire pencil in the shade dark brown, and with the help of the spoolie like comb that it has, I'll brush my eyebrows and then fill it with the pencil. For my eyes, I am taking this SFR Colors Hated with Love eyeshadow palette. So I'm taking this pink color from the palette and brushing it all across my eyelids as a transition color. This serves as a very nice transition color. Then I'm taking another dark brown color from the palette and just defining my outer V. I'm doing this just to put some dimension to the eyes and lift the eyes up. Next I'm taking this coppery bronzy glittery shade and putting this all across my eyelids with the help of my fingers. It's a very nice glitter shade and it is going quite well without the help of a primer. Next I'm deepening the outer V a little more to bring back the dimension. Next I'm taking the mix of the same pink and brown shade and applying it to my lower lash. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Blue Heaven liquid eyeliner and I'm trying to create a nice small wing. I'm very new at this and this takes some time and a lot of practice to master this. For my kajal, I am using the NYB Kohl pencil in black and tight lining my lower lash line. Then I'll apply the falsies from Swiss Beauty in the variant Vamp. Next I'm taking the Maybelline Falsies Drama Mascara and I'll coat my lower lashes. I'll leave the upper lashes because I have applied the falsies. For blush, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty blush palette and taking the coral shade from the palette, I'll apply it all over my cheekbones. For my lip liner, I am taking the Insight lip liner in the shade Mulberry. This is a very affordable lip liner, yet it is extremely nice and creamy. I'll also fill up my lips with the same lip liner. I'll top the lip liner with a very nice nude lipstick. This is from Blue Heaven and the shade is 11 Light Coffee. For my highlighter, I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals and I'll put a generous amount of highlighter on my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose and chin and the usual highlighting areas. This is a very nice highlighter and it provides almost like a wet look to the face. And yeah, that's the finished look. So this is how the look turned out. I am very happy with how this all looks. I have put a very nice small bindi and the entire makeup look looks cohesive. The eyes are standing out, the skin looks nice and dewy. I am very impressed by this Blue Heaven powder. It was just for 125 rupees and I got it on a discount on Purple. And this is so nice. I mean, it has made my skin look so flawless and airbrushed. So if you are interested in trying any of the products, I'll link them in the description bar below. If you liked watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other content on this channel, please do consider subscribing. And with that note, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.